fashion lookbooks for plus-size women. In the past decade, the fashion and styling industry has grown at a rapid speed. Hundreds and thousands of fashion brands and clothing lines are being launched. Magazines, workshops, events are trying their best to increase fashion awareness and encourage women of all shapes and sizes to look gorgeous. One of the best mediums of showcasing new style options and brand collections are lookbooks. These image catalogs not only help people understand new and latest style options, but is also a great way of showing the possibility of experimentation when it comes to styling. Why are these lookbooks so important? Well, that's because it helps women understand the latest trends and motivate them to try it out. Moreover, these books are especially important to encourage plus-size women to understand that their bodies are equally beautiful. Distributed to press, consumers and buyers, the lookbooks are a quintessential way to create a lasting impression and reach maximum buyers. Through these books, the plus-size women get an idea of the ways to style and buy dresses that suit and highlight their body type. Curvy women generally lack the required motivation and hide their bodies by wearing fitted clothes. To change this and to educate women that beauty is not defined by size, these lookbooks are in a way inspiring. motivates women to try different trends. With changing fashion rules, several lines of clothing have been introduced dedicated to +size women. These brands create clothes which are suitable for women above size 10, and help them highlight their curves in the correct proportion. It is important for these fashion brands to reach out to maximum women and gain potential buyers. And what better way to do this than lookbooks? Sometimes it is a book of style looks, or a simplistic catalog. Some of these books not only feature photos of style women but also give information about the different silhouettes, fabrics and cuts that suit different body types. Being plus-sized is actually an advantage. It is the first sign of being healthy. That's the reason for which many models in the number sign fashion industry are changing from being normal size to number sign plus size. Through these catalogs and lookbooks, women outside the number sign fashion industry will know a lot more about trends, and will be able to gain knowledge about the possibilities of styling. Every woman cannot afford to hire a personal stylist, but every woman can definitely learn more about fashion through the lookbooks.